Hello everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to your Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. In today's video, let's learn about and use the adjective potential. Potential. Yes, potential can be used as an adjective to describe something having the ability to do something in the future. Let's use potential in a few sentences. Potential customers may be found around the globe or in your local area. Environmentalists are concerned about the potential threat of the new factory. Doctors are excited about the new drug's potential benefits. Try to find opportunities to use the word potential in your everyday English conversations. My name is Jason. This has been your Word of the Day video brought to you by MainStreetEnglish.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to receive notifications of new English video lessons created by Main Street English. Thank you and see you again.